కనపడుతుందా? Are you able to see the screen?
Sir.
కనిపిస్తుంది సార్.
Yes, sir.
So, మనకు bare acts, see these are few bare acts, there may be few missing. Okay, so just I want to show, if you carry this book, మీరు టేబుల్ పైన ఇలా పెట్టుకోవాలి మీరు.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so టేబుల్ పైన ఇలా పెట్టుకున్నప్పుడు it will be difficult for you to search. Okay, see here I have placed them vertically. మీకు wall option దొరికింది అనుకోండి. If you are sitting near wall where your table, so you can place these things to the wall.
Okay, sir.
Here it is like library setting, so you can see if there is name of the book on the binding. Okay, here binding you can see backside, the main it is thick book, so you can see Labor and Industrial Law, the Companies Act, BNSS, all those things, intellectual property, but there are at least 10 to 12 books in between. Small books you cannot see, right? ఇందులో మిడిల్ లో ఉన్న బుక్స్ కి you cannot see. Here you can see Civil Procedure Code, Criminal Procedure Code, BNSS, Industrial Law, Companies Act, Income Tax Act also. It will be very thick book. You can see that, right? Here all books you are unable to see.
లడ్డు బుక్లు అన్నీ ఒక చోట పెట్టుకుంటే సరిపోద్ది కదరా పిచ్చికెట్టు.
ఇగో ఇది కూడా దడ్డు.
Okay, so
ఇది దడ్డు.
but మనకి సెర్చ్ చేయడానికి ఈజీగా ఉండడానికి you have to sort the books depending on the table setup. Sometimes you will not get wall also, sometimes you will not get table also. You may be having only chair, so you have to place the books in the bottom. Okay, so here I am writing, you can see BSA, okay, on this edge, so that I am writing on the top and I am writing on the bottom also. Okay, I am writing on the top. So why I'll show you why it will be helpful in the examination when you place.
కమర్షియల్ కొనుక్కున్నాను అందరినీ.
Pure technique. This is a pure technique. Okay, this is nothing to do with examination. This is a technique so that it will be easy
book
for you.
human marker, permanent marker.
Yeah, marker you can use a good pen also. That is your choice. Okay, so once you do this, you can put the books separately in 2 blocks or 3 blocks, however you choose. See, major acts, there are 4 major acts. All the questions are 5 acts including Constitution. Okay, CPC, CRPC, IPC. Okay, then what is that? Evidence and Constitution. These 5 acts will carry almost 40 plus marks. Okay, you keep these 4 books in one place, including old acts also you can put there. Okay, so new other acts you can put separate set. Okay, so I'll just 1 minute, you will see how you can lay them on the table, or even if table is not there, you can lay them on the ground also, on bit below this one, on the floor. So it will be easy for you to take out the book, pull out the book from the bundle. See here, I have laid them vertically. See, you can see IPC, all those things. Because I wrote on the bottom, I wrote on the top also. Here I can see, I can just pull out the book. Okay.
So stick note use it, sir. More than question.
Entama?
Stick notes.
Stick notes em petadu. Then book pair rasani ikkada ante. I am not doing anything. I wrote the book name.
Okay,
here,
sir.
Here law books danni itla pettamu. See, another layout. This is another type of layout where we have written in the sides. Just you can spread it like cards. Playing cards ఉంటుంది కదా, అలా spread చేసాము. Just you can pull out the property, IT, Advocate Act, Land Act, NI Act, whatever book, you just take out that book. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So it will be easy. I mean, you will not waste time for searching for the book in the bundle. See, even every second counts. So every time you take, you put it back, put it back. If all questions are coming in serial order, then it will be easy. But if they are not, see here, I have put it vertically. If you get the opportunity of left side board or right side wall, so just I have put it little bit cross. Okay, they are not straight, they are little bit cross so that I can see from the library sort of view also. If you see straight, you cannot see that. Just if you see from the angle, you can identify all the books. Okay, so
Okay,
you
sir.
lay the book so that you will be able to pull out them easily. So here I have laid down 4 books: Constitution, CPC, CRPC, those things in one lot, and all other minor acts separately. 5 acts separately, 4 other place. So it will be easy for you to identify those 4 books because you very clearly know these 4 books are here only. Okay, below that you can put old acts also, but top you put Constitution, then BNSS, BSA, and BNS. Okay, and CPC. These 4-5 books. Then old acts you can put below them. It will be easy for you to take. You know that 4 are here, and all minor acts are on the left side or right side, wherever you are. See, you will get 25 to 30 minutes once you enter the examination hall. First, take 10 minutes to lay down your books properly so that you will be able to pull out the subject easily. Okay. Then once you do that, you will get the question paper 10 to 15 minutes before. You fill all the center code, your hall ticket number. Even if you get the set code, question paper code, you will not be allowed to open that one. There will be a sticker on that one, but code will be there on the top. So you can write the sticker code also. Fill everything. Okay. Sign the paper, question paper. Only invigilator signature will be pending. So your main preliminary work is over. Your table is set, your pad is set, your hall ticket number, everything is completed on the bubble sheet. Now you are not having any other thing except once the time starts, open the question paper, pull out the bare act, answer them. Answer first bare act based questions, direct questions, or referring to bare act, you can answer anything. Once those 40 to 50 questions are over, okay, then you just analyze those things, other questions, which will be doing that in a day or two. Okay, we'll try to answer other questions also. In meantime, you have to learn concepts, some case laws. So if you do these basic things straight away, you can answer 40 to 50 questions from bare act itself. Okay, another 10 to 15 questions from case laws and concepts. And if you are serious and you are preparing since little bit extra time, you can score more. Only thing, you have to search the questions from the bare act. So read faster, try to understand the bare act faster, lay them properly. Don't waste your time reading slowly because time is very precious. By the time you understand, it will be 1 hour is over. Okay, so be careful. Keep on watching your time. Okay, so just take regular watch. They may not allow you digital watches, all those things. Go with analog watch only, where the old type of watches are there, right? Quad watches are allowed, but no smart watches. Some centers will not allow smart watches.